Yeah, hey you guys, let's escape the shutdown and the 100+ degree temperatures here in Phoenix. We're headed up to Prescott, Arizona. It's about 5,000 elevation, and we're going to explore around there. So come along with us. Okay, this is the route we took up to Prescott here. We took the I-17. Took the I-17 north out of Phoenix to Acrosanti, and that's State Route 69 there that heads to the northwest here, and then brought it up and around through Prescott Valley and right down here to Lynx Lake. And some of the footage where I have the camera out the window, right here is where we ate. And kind of showed a picture of the kayaks and that, and then when we went for a little drive within the recreation area and went by the lake again, this is the road we took, and that's the view from like the beach there, and then around here like this. And then we came back out. Hey guys, yeah, we're on another day trip here. Actually, just out. I never knew this place existed. Just outside of Prescott, Arizona. It's called the Lynx Lake. It's in Prescott National Forest. So typically there is a day use. There's no camping right here where we're at right now, but yeah, it's typically a $5 day use fee. But right now you can see there's no fee required, and we got lucky. There's no parking here, and sorry for the shake. I need to get a gimbal. But yeah, the spot opened up right as we got here. So look at this. This is beautiful. Yeah, we brought some lunch up here. I did not, in 10 years of living here and exploring Arizona, I did not know this existed. Dam construction 62 by the again. Nice. I'll let you guys pause and read that. All right, let's follow this trail down here. We got our lunch. Apparently this shortcut has been here for a while. Oh, today in the valley, I think it's supposed to be in the low 100s. But up here it's beautiful. I think we're at 5,300 feet elevation. And I think the Jeep said it was 77 degrees. And it's almost noon. Okay, apparently that's the dam. I'll be right there. Kayakers, canoes. Oh, this is beautiful. What a beautiful little mountain lake. Looks clear too.
Wow. I love discovering things like this. Maybe everybody else knew it was here, but I didn't. Wow, look at this tree. That is interesting old tree. Apparently you can rent kayaks and maybe a canoe. I don't know if you saw the spikes, but there's one way in and one way out. Don't want to go back the other way.
Okay, then after we finished eating and drove around Lynx Lake recreation area, then we headed toward downtown Prescott, Whiskey Row, which is, let me show you. Yeah, we just came back out and caught 69, came down, and let me show you. Actually, we kept coming straight here on Gurley Street, and here's the courthouse with all the people that were gathered around here. And this is Whiskey Row right here, which that's a lot of fun, when there's not a shutdown. So go back out here. Okay, yeah, then we caught SR 89, State Route 89, and we followed that all the way down through Yarnell here, and right here is where that lookout was. The beautiful 100-mile view was right in here. And here's the Granite Mountain Hot Shots Memorial that we did not go on, that we did not hike to this time. Next time, definitely for sure, though. But yeah, so then just came down and through Congress and caught State Route 93 through Wickenburg, and then the Carefree Highway, State Route 74. Brought that back to the 17, and then back down to home.
All right, coming through Prescott on the way back to Phoenix here. It is hopping. Look at this, is the courthouse here. People everywhere.
You got space here.
Yeah. Yeah, this is Whiskey Row right here too. You can see, just like us, everybody's staying home, staying healthy. I would say get outside and stay healthy, and I'm sure 99.9% of you guys would say that too. Gonna crack her back, I guess. I saw Batman walking here a little earlier. I'm trying to find him. Some guy dressed up in a really good Batman costume. Anyway, Prescott's hopping here. This is awesome. All right, we're going to get on down the road here. I'll report back in. All right, you guys, this is the view I was telling you about. Quite a view. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I guess this little lookout was erected in the memory of Charles Churchill Small, member American Society of Civil Engineers. Died in 1932. Father of Arizona highways. Okay, next we're going to stop at this Granite Mountain Hot Shots Memorial State Park. It's just right up here, I guess. All right, you guys, we are back from Prescott. What a wonderful afternoon. Finding Lynx Lake. You know, I guess Lisa knew about it, but I didn't. That was a really nice surprise. Mid 70s, while it's over 100 here. It's wonderful, and you know, the town square there, Whiskey Row, Prescott, all those people. Yeah, what a great afternoon, beautiful drive. So anyway, appreciate each and every one of you guys. God bless you. Share this video, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Yeah, share with somebody like-minded that's going to enjoy this kind of stuff. Anyway, God bless. We'll see you guys next time.